In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your League of Legends client is slow or lagging. Now, first what we want to try is come down here and search for run. In here, type in TEMP, open it up and delete everything you can in here. Now, if this pops up, just say do this for all and press skip. Again, there we go. Now do the exact same thing, but instead of temp, you're going to type percentage and percentage. So percentage, temp, percentage. Press OK and do the exact same in here. Skip, skip, and just let this be. Then clear your recycle bin, just like this. And then what you want to do meanwhile is you right click on your desktop, go to display settings. In here, scroll down, graphic settings. Make sure you enable hardware accelerated GPU. And in here you want to add League of Legends. Now the way you do this is by going into browse and find the League of Legends. So I think I have mine installed on my C drive, or D drive I think. So find where you have it and then look for your Riot client, Riot Games, League of Legends, leagueclient.exe. Press add, I already have it added right here. Then go to options and high performance. Now once you've done that, what you want to do is open up your game. In here, click on the settings, enable low spec mode, as well as choose always on this one. Now, if you hover to enable low spec mode, it will tell you what it does. It helps if you're stuttering or having some lag with the client. Closing the client during the game basically means when you get into the game, the client will close down instead of being opened. So that's basically how you can do it. Now, I really hope any of these helped fix the issue. If they did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.